Hello everybody, this is FC7,
And Misty 2001.
and today we're continuing our string of keto videos, this time with Keto Barbecue Sauce.
Yeah.
So can you explain a little bit about this one?
Yeah, it's actually made with xylitol, erythritol, or stevia instead of sugar. They are keto sweeteners that I prefer to use. So one difference in this recipe is you actually used powdered sweetener instead of granulated. I didn't have powdered in my cabinet, so I actually had to use my spice grinder and create powdered.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So the ingredients are right there. So first you're going to add 1.5 cups of water.
So there's our water,
Yeah.
1.5 cups.
I actually used a bigger saucepan than I needed. 2 cans of tomato paste. The recipe says 2.5, but I only had 2 cans in my pantry, so that's what I decided to use. 1/3 of a cup of powdered sweetener.
So this is the monk fruit, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just add that to the pan.
1/2 a cup of apple cider vinegar.
That can be used for so many different things.
It can. What are some things that you like to use apple cider vinegar for?
Yeah, when I have a stomachache.
Oh, I didn't know you could use it for a stomachache. So now you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Glub, glub, glub.
Yeah. 1 and 2.
Yeah. So now you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of hickory flavored liquid smoke. That's actually one of my favorite things to use in recipes like this.
It does smell really good.
Yeah, it gives it kind of a smoky flavor without all that heat. So then
Onto the garlic sauce.
1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Oh, garlic powder.
Yep. Otherwise, if you added garlic salt, it would be too salty.
Oh, onion powder?
1/2 a teaspoon of onion powder.
Onto the salt.
1/2 a teaspoon of salt. The recipe actually says sea salt, but I didn't have it in my pantry, so regular salt will work as well.
And there we are adding it.
Yep.
Next up is paprika.
Yep. So then you've got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Regular paprika will work too. I didn't have smoked in my pantry.
Onto
So
the chili powder.
then you're going to want to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili powder. I love chili powder, so I probably could have added more and it wouldn't have been a problem.
Onto the ground red pepper.
Yep. Also named cayenne pepper.
Oh, I didn't know that.
More like also known as. So that is 1/4 of a teaspoon. More if you like it.
Set it to medium.
And then set it to medium, stir it all up.
How long would you stir it for?
Stirring it for at least until it's combined, but you let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And then once it's cool enough to put in whatever container you'd like to use, I decided to use a bottle because it's easy.
So you had to let it cool for a while before you did this.
Yeah, I let it cool for about 30 minutes.
So that is the finished barbecue sauce. Any last thoughts on this one?
It was actually a really easy recipe to make and really good too. I think my favorite part of the recipe was the apple cider vinegar because it made it kind of tart.
So how does it compare to regular barbecue sauce that's not keto? Because I love barbecue sauce.
And I do as well. It kind of compares, it doesn't really, there's really no difference.
Oh.
It's just in some of the ingredients that you put in there.
So it tastes about the same.
It does. So that should just about do it for this video. If you thought this video was awesome, please feel free to like and subscribe. Have a great night, guys.
Bye.
Bye.